This is the best time to lock in because there's just something in the air during the last 2 weeks of the year. Something very motivating. This is how I plan on locking the F in and getting my goals by March 2026. Hi, I'm Ariana. I'm a social media manager and a content creator. On this channel, we talk about socials for business, socials for creators, content creation, work-life balance, productivity, and all that good stuff. If conversations and content like this interest you, I highly recommend subscribing. So this is literally me holding myself accountable and creating a thing to hold myself accountable for taking my content seriously in 2026. I have like 3 brands that I'm working on right now, and one of my goals for 2026 or before 2026 is to take this YouTube channel seriously. I have started and stopped posting on this channel so many times, but this is the last time. And as a social media manager, I know how important it is to stay consistent. So this taking my content seriously in 2026 is mainly focusing on posting on this channel and growing this channel by March 2026. And this is exactly how I'm going to do it. And hopefully that this inspires you as well. So step 1 is knowing that motivation doesn't last forever. Yes, this time of year is super motivating, but I know that will not last all the way into the end of March. There's seasonal depression, the sun setting as soon as it rises, plans that just pop up that kind of get in the way of filming, a whole bunch of things. So what I'm going to do to combat that is to set up systems that don't rely on motivation, because content is about building habits, routines, and systems that work when you simply do not want to. So I have noticed that some things that get in my way of being locked in or staying locked in. One of them is not being fully invested in what I'm sharing in my content, which I think definitely has to do with the reason why I've been so spotty with my consistency on this channel specifically. So my advice to you is to make sure that you love what you're creating about if you want to take your content seriously in 2026. For example, I love consuming content on YouTube that is like FaceTime vibes, that is like a sit down yap session. I love content about routines, planning, and productivity, and I wanted to incorporate that in my content. So the content that I was posting before on this channel was mainly like social media tips and like planning your content calendar, which I definitely am passionate about and will continue talking about. But I'm super excited to be incorporating more productivity, lifestyle kind of conversations that kind of focus on improving your lifestyle, routines, productivity, and it's given me a new sense of excitement for posting on this channel. So that is my plan to combat my lack of motivation to show up. Now, getting into the systems part of showing up, number 2 is about having a workflow that I can thrive in. Sometimes I would wake up in the morning on filming day and think like, oh my god, I have such a long day ahead of me. So I want to make sure that there is a super low barrier to entry for creating content for this channel. And that looks like not doing too much when I have to set up for filming, because that just makes it so much easier to just start. Because if you have to set up 2 soft boxes on both sides of you, have to break out a busted tripod that really irritates you when you're trying to set it up. I have a broken tripod that I always use. I don't know why. Your background is not what you want it to be. My background is currently not what I want it to be, but I am pushing through it. I will figure that out later. But having all of those problems is going to make it so much easier for you to literally film on filming day, especially when you don't have motivation. So we are lowering the barrier to entry to just get started filming on filming day. My current setup is literally just putting my phone here, putting my light on in front of my window, and get to yapping. Another thing that really helps along with having a really easy setup is scripting out my videos well before filming. So I don't have to waste time thinking of what to say or even what the topic of the video is going to be. You can even take it a step further into planning out what you're going to wear, what your hair is going to look like, literally lowering the barrier of entry because you have planned out all of these things already. You just need to get into it. I also create beauty content, so I film a full makeup video before I sit down to film content for this channel. So I'm literally ready to just push my chair back and start yapping. Again, making it super easy for me to just get the content created. And the third thing that I am doing to hold myself accountable to take my content seriously in 2026 is to be really realistic about my schedule. So I am placing these things in my week in places where there's literally nothing else going on. So if I don't get this done, the guilt is real. With the schedule thing, I am also batch filming my content. So my goal is to post twice a week for 3 months straight, starting now. So I batch film 2 full YouTube videos in one sitting. It's gonna make it easier for me to stay consistent because now I don't have to set up my entire setup, put on an outfit, fix my hair twice during the week to create 2 videos. And the more that you practice at literally anything, like filming YouTube videos back to back will make it faster for me to create because I'm practicing this and I'm doing it over and over again. So the amount of stuttering that I do and the amount of like just the production time in general will get shorter and shorter, and I'll get better and faster at creating this content, which again will make my life easier. I am currently, this is my last piece of content that I'm filming today. I have one more video to film after this. I started my entire filming day at 11 a.m. and it is currently 2 p.m. So we're almost there. But at the end of this day, I am wrapping with 5 makeup TikTok videos, 5 talking head TikTok videos, 2 full YouTube videos, and another talking head video for a different brand. So 11 TikTok videos and 2 YouTube videos by 3 p.m. Batch your content. So that's my plan, and I just have a couple of reminders for you if you are wanting to take your content seriously in 2026. Reminder number 1, the time will go by anyway. March will come, hopefully, and I can either get there with at least 24 posted YouTube videos for this channel or like 4. And what is 4 really doing for me? Really a huge motivator, to be honest. Second reminder is if I miss a posting day, it's not the end of the world. Stuff happens, but if you quit because of one inconvenience or one missed posting day, I definitely plan, like I hope I don't, but I do plan on like maybe missing a posting day. But if that happens, I will just move on and continue with this plan and continue posting and showing up the next day or the next week. And the last reminder is that there is always room for improvement in every area, in my setup, in my strategy, in my schedule, the skills of creating content, or like the time it takes to create these videos. So that is my plan on how I am going to take my content seriously in 2026, or specifically this channel. This time is the time. So let me know if we have matching goals. Let me know if this inspired you or even just got your wheels turning on how you look at coming at taking your content creation seriously, or your game plan. Again, if you enjoy conversations and content like this, I highly recommend subscribing. If you got anything from this video, I'd really appreciate if you leave a like down below. It really helps me out. Feel free to check me out on my socials, and if you do have any recommendations for content that you want to see or topics, or please leave it in the comment section. I'm always open to what you want to see. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!